Good morning, children. I hope you all are feeling good. I am Jennifer Mann. Today, I am going to teach you two new shapes, which I am sure most of you would not have seen or heard of. Now, children, tell me the shapes that I am making with my fingers. What is this? Yes, it is a circle. And this? Yes, a square. This? Yes, a triangle. And this? A rectangle. And this? An oval. Now children, you know the shapes that I made with my fingers. These are all flat shapes. In your previous session, the shapes you learned were not flat shapes. They were three-dimensional shapes, sphere and cone. Let us have a look at these two shapes once again. Here is a picture of a sphere. What is a sphere? A sphere is a three-dimensional object, like the surface of a ball is a sphere. All balls are spherical in shape. Here is a picture of a cone. A cone is a three-dimensional shape that starts from a flat base and narrows to a point called the apex, like an ice cream cone. Today, get ready to learn two new shapes which are also three-dimensional. They are cylinder and prism. What is the shape of a cylinder? It is a three-dimensional shape consisting of two parallel circular shaped flat surfaces joined by a curved surface. For example, this container. The top and the bottom are parallel and flat, and the middle portion is curved. Let us look at pictures of some more objects which are cylinder in shape. In this picture, you can see a cold drink can, a candle, a glue stick, and a battery. All these objects are cylinder in shape. Now, the other new shape that I will be talking about is a prism. A prism is defined as a three-dimensional object with same parallel ends and has flat surfaces. For example, a glass prism. In a prism, the ends are identical, that is, same, and they are equidistant from each other, and the surfaces are flat. Let us look at pictures of some more objects which are prism in shape. In this picture, you can see a pastry box, a tent, a chocolate slab, and a prism. All these objects are prism in shape. So children, I hope you understood the two new shapes that I taught you. Now, please open your classwork book, page 7. Here, you can see dotted cylinder-shaped objects. You have to trace over the dotted line and complete the cylinder, and lastly, color it. Now, please open page 9. Here, you can see dotted prism-shaped objects. You have to trace the outline, complete the shape, and color it. So children, let's end today's session with a rhyme on 3D shapes. So children, are you ready to sing along? Let's begin. 3D shapes are fat, not flat, fat, not flat, fat, not flat. 3D shapes are fat, not flat, fat, not flat. A cone is like a party hat, party hat, party hat. A cone is like a party hat, party hat. A sphere is like a bouncy ball, bouncy ball, bouncy ball. A sphere is like a bouncy ball, bouncy ball. A prism is like a building tall, building tall, building tall. A prism is like a building tall, building tall. A cylinder is like a soda pop, soda pop, soda pop. A cylinder is like a soda pop, soda pop. 3D shapes are here and there, here and there, here and there. 3D shapes are here and there, everywhere. So children, I hope you enjoyed the rhyme. Bye-bye. Take care.